All right, guys, welcome to Flip Crypto channel once again. It's me, Sajay. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money by swing trading. In crypto markets, there are lots of ways people make money. Some people make by investing, others make by options trading. People make money by swing trading. People make money by day trading. All right, so there are lots. People make money by farming airdrops. I have explained how you can farm airdrops in some of my previous videos, and I hope to still make some more videos concerning airdrops. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I need you to click the like button and subscribe. So I'm going to explain swing trading to the barest minimum. I'm going to explain it in a way that even a 5-year-old kid can understand the concept and be able to do swing trade. So people who swing trade make lots of cash on crypto markets. Okay, so there are different trends in the crypto market. The market can be trending upwards, where we see a continual movement of assets, in an upward direction. Either moved by the entire market, or the particular asset in question is making its own movement because of several reasons, maybe the fundamentals around it. Okay, and then also we have a downtrend where the market keeps going down continually for a given period of time. Then we have the ranging market, which is what I consider very effective for swing trading. Okay, very effective for swing trading, especially when the market ranges on a larger candle scale, not on an hourly candle or maybe 4-hour candle. But if the market is ranging, let's say on a daily uh candle scale, you can look at it and then decide to swing trade. So swing trading basically is when traders use technical analysis to assess market movement. So when you are done assessing a particular chart for a given asset, you now decide that you want to buy and sell. That is long or short. So you can use long, you can use buy. It's the same thing. So whether you want to long or short the market, you do your technical analysis, you assess the market, you assess the chart, and then you are able to tell that a specific period of time in this particular chart, this market behaves this way. This market behaves this way. All right. So, and because of the behavior of the market that you have studied over time, you are able to take profits at given intervals. So, in this type of trading, you don't take profit, you don't wait for bull run to take profits, you don't wait for seasons to take profits. You take profits at short intervals. It can be hours, it can be days, it can be weeks, and then it can run into months. But I would always advise swing traders not to allow their trading to run into 3-4 months. All right, depending on the type of market that you are trading, though. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. So quickly, I'm going to use a token on an exchange to explain swing trade for us. So depending on what exchanges are your favorite, you can use Binance, you can use Mexi, KuCoin, any exchange at all that you use for your normal trading is okay for swing trade. So um, for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to use Mexi. All right. So if I open my exchange, this is how it appears, and then you can search for a particular token. Let me use Stargate Finance STG. All right. So here it is. We can open it. All right, on the spot. Okay. So swing trading is done on spot. It is not done on futures. All right. So futures trading is options trading. It's more like uh gambling. All right. So it's not what I am showing you now. People make a lot of profits trading futures, but that's not the purpose of this class. So we're going to click on sport, and then we will arrive at this point. So I can expand, I can decide to expand my screen so that I'll be able to do my demonstration properly. Okay, so on my chart, I see that it's on a 1 hour time frame. So if you use smaller time frames, it's going to create a lot of noise in the market. You will not be able to accurately analyze what has transpired in the market for a longer period of time. For instance, this is 15 minutes candlestick time frame. So it's going to show lots of movement. So this makes it look like the market is going up, all right? So this makes it look like the market is going up this way, okay? And then um, the next moment you see something like plummeted because it's short, so there is no much information that you can gather from this. So that's why I prefer for trades like swing trading, you require a longer time frame. So basically what I'm going to show you is how to use the top and bottom pattern or technical analysis to swing trade. It's basic and it's simple. So what you do is uh, an extended horizontal line. Okay, so um, you can zoom in on this, and then so if I zoom in on this now, I will realize that I have a curve forming here. I have another one forming here. I have another one about to form here. So it looks like a recurring pattern. So I can decide to drop, but making sure that all my candlesticks are in touch, all the candlesticks. So at this point, I'm getting the candlesticks involved here, getting the ones involved here, and getting the ones involved here. So I can use this as a local bottom. Okay. So what it means is that um, within the short time span that I want to trade, I can decide to always buy at this point within this range. Okay. Make it more, you can make it safer by creating a range for it. So let's say within this axis, I can buy. So within this point to this point, I can buy. That means within 50 cents to 51 cents, thereabouts, you can buy and then set to sell at another point where the market consistently reverses. So if you look at it, you also see um, a recurring pattern. I think there is much of an action within this area, and then this area too. So the first for my local top is within this area. That's my first within this area. So that's where you see most of the actions in this market happened within this area, within within this area. Okay. So you can create as many extended horizontal lines as possible. Okay. So this is where most likely the next is going to be. So to confirm this, I can decide to go back. So if you go backwards, you now see that I was right. So the market is always like that. One thing about crypto market is that the market will always come to your signal if you are patient. So what swing traders do is that at this point, I can decide to buy. So I buy at this point, sell at this point, and then wait for a reversal. Buy at this point, sell at this point, wait for a reversal, or allow it to move more depending on what your analysis looks like. So if I am going to trade this market personally, I will buy at this point. I'll buy at this point. Now it may take a number of days or even weeks for it to get back to this point. So you can screenshot this particular chart that I have drawn and monitor these markets. Okay, so it will help you to understand my explanation. So in the next couple of weeks, you will see something like if this market doesn't see a rejection at this point, so if it breaks this particular point, so there is every likelihood that it will keep going up till this point. So this is the next point where it is likely to meet a rejection. And if it does not, it will keep going up. So, but if it meets a rejection here, this is a good point to take profit or re-enter the market also for people that are just meeting the market at that point. So this is a good point to take profit then allow the market to come down again. That's how swing trading works in simplest terms. So assuming I bought here, I allow this to go up. All right. So because you will need to monitor a bit, so I will see that in this particular point, there was no strong rejection. So the buyers persisted in the market. The market went forward up. So at this point, I can decide to take profit here. So, and one thing about swing trade is that you can take profit, even if I took profit here, you can take profit and the market keeps going against your direction. So it has disadvantages also. So you can take profit here and the market keeps going up. So don't be in regret. Don't say, I've missed this trade. I would have left this too, So we don't have regrets in crypto market as long as profit is in view. So if you take profit here, and market goes up, allow it to do whatever it is doing. Just allow it. All right. You can either look for a different market to trade or you stay patient with this particular market. So if you stay patient, this is what happens. It comes down, goes up again, and then this happens. Back to your entry zone. All right. And if you're wise again, you can enter again. So it moves up back to your selling zone. And then it comes down again, back to your entry zone, back to your selling zone. So this is how the market works. All right. So for now, this market can be referred to a ranging market. Now, do we rely only on technical analysis for swing trading? Technical analysis is the bulk of the work to be done, but you also need to pay attention to fundamentals. For instance, you can be on a particular trade and an information or a news that has a strong impact on the asset you are trading can break out. So if such a news breaks out and you have no information of it, it can affect your market and it can cause you to lose funds. It can cause you to lose a lot of money. So that's why it is important that if you are also trading, while I agree that it's okay to uh, base your trading on technical analysis, it is also important that you pay attention to fundamentals, know what is happening in the market. So this can help you maximize short-term profit, all right, capturing what is happening in the market and maximizing um, profit. But on the side of the disadvantage, like I said, you can take profit and the market keeps going in the opposite direction. And then, but that's market, that's crypto. So of course, you know that you shouldn't trade crypto if you don't understand the risk factors that are involved. So this has also its own risk, but I think the risk associated with swing trading is minimal. Minimal in the sense that before you can lose all your funds, as in futures trading or in options trading, it's going to take a lot of time. It will take this particular asset going down to an unbearable value, all right, far, 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 far below even this point before you can lose all of your assets. So you can lose 10%, 20%, 30% of your asset. Or if you stay patient with that asset, it will go up, just that it may not go up within the period of time that you expect. So that's why it's good to belong to a relevant community that will share information about what is happening in the market at a particular time so that you know the tokens you are having, if they are being affected by what is currently happening in the market. So another advantage of trading swing is that swing traders can rely exclusively on technical analysis, all right, like I just mentioned, making the trading process simpler for you. So on the other hand, a particular information can just come and scatter all your analysis, all the analysis you have done. One single news in the market and you are done for. So that's why it's important that you pay attention to what is happening in the mid. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is swing trading in the simplest form. So you can make a lot of money trading like this. Is it's a trading strategy that a lot of people don't know, but it is pro trading. It's very, very profitable, hugely profitable. So if you're always losing money in crypto, this can be a remedy for you. So what you do is that you buy your assets, you allow them for a period of time, let's say 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, you sell it off, and then um, you use the entire funds again, you use the entire bag again to buy back when the market comes down to your entry zone. Do you understand it? So if you use $100, for instance, and buy at this spot, so if this entire market goes up, if this entire market goes up to this point, you can make maybe $10, $20 from it. I'm just using it as an instance. So you can sell off and allow this market to come down again. You buy back with $120. Allow this. So in a very short while, you can turn your $100 to $1,000 without stress. Okay. So this is where I'm going to wrap up the class. If you enjoyed the class, let me know by commenting in the comment section, giving me a thumbs up, and of course sharing this video so that every other person can have access to this exclusive information. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel and you're just coming across the videos, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's your way of supporting the work that we are doing in the crypto ecosystem. And then also it will get you notified when I post my next video. I will be doing videos like this. If I see in the comment section that you enjoy stuffs about technical analysis, I can do more on technical analysis. There are lots of things you can do, checking candlestick patterns and using different indicators. So I can go on and make brief explanation about those things. All right, guys. Thank you for joining my session this morning. I'll see you guys in my next session.